As to the comp hearing, once more, as to the comp hearing with Herman Seymour, he came to jail on 3/23/12.
Part 9, and asked me about 25 legal questions, all of which I knew, but I became concerned when he asked me to guesstimate 30 seconds. When I counted off the time, he told me it was 12 seconds, when I knew it was closer to 34 seconds. With only him and me in the room, I had no way to rebut his time test. Having said that, I expected a negative report from him because the first report, misinformation sent to Judge Sanderson on 3/16/2012, where Seymour's secretary Barbara did not inform him of my of my call from the doctor's office the day of the appointment. Note, this is reckless negligence and caused me to get locked up. If the phone records could be retrieved, it should be grounds for malpractice. Nevertheless, Seymour gave a negative report, and I will remove the court for a secondary opinion. Brief note: how can one be found incompetent to go to trial for driving without his license when he's already got his license fixed with the DMV? Plus more, how can one be found incompetent to go to trial for a possession charge when I have a federal order to proceed signed by Federal Judge O'Neill against both officers on file at the federal courthouse? Odd. Nevertheless, Judge Sanderson used a little trickery on the 22nd, changed her courtroom staff and ordered Attorney Soap to take my file to Department 31 to a Marstein hearing with Commissioner Bramer, who stated in court he was a commissioner and wanted me to sign some kind of agreement. I refused to sign for any commissioner and asked to return to Judge Sanderson. I wanted Judge Sanderson to set the Marstein hearing back up with the first Marstein hearing, Judge Sarkisian in Department 50, so I could address the issues of the first hearing that was dismissed without prejudice. But Attorney Soap took the file to Department 32 under Judge Capitan, who did not review the file very carefully because we had just skipped the Marstein hearing.